Muhwa uyu urutetwo thutha wa ciiko cia ugimaria wa iretu gukorwo ikiongerereka gicigo-ini kiu hamwe na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kulevya wa njohi akiuga ni magukorwo magithiuruka matura-ini matiganite guthomithia muingi iguru ria kumenyerera ciana ciao.
At this period of time, these are the times when people indulge in so many vices. These are times that young people are introduced into drugs, into abuse of substances. And we want to appeal particularly to our young people that they must be extra careful so that they are not dragged into vices that will haunt their life in future.
Wainaina na ule ni mutungatiri wa kanitha wa Gospel Campaigners Fellowship araragiria mbeũ njithi hindi ya mahoya ma gucokia ngatho ni undu wa ciana iria irekite wega kigeranio-ini gia KCPE kuria oho arahinyiriria aciari gukorwo magikuua murigo wa ciana ciao niguo matikeingiranie na ciiko itagireire.
We want to appeal to all communities that we need to rise up to levels of civilization where we honor and respect the girl child and her rights are respected. We know the church is on the forefront and leading against this, and we want to proud the church for braving up the challenge and biting the bullet.
Ohone oritie mbeũ njithi kuregana na mitugo iyo na kuhuraga rivoti kuri borithi matungana na ciiko ta icio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.